Ever felt a sneeze coming? And then, poof, it vanishes? Here is what is going on inside your nose. Sneezing starts when tiny irritants like dust or light tickle nerves in your nose. Your brain gets the message time to launch a sneeze attack. But sometimes, the signal gets interrupted. Maybe you move, talk, or the irritant shifts. That breaks the sneeze reflex, and the urge just disappears. This is called a failed sneeze reflex, and it is super common. Some even stare at light to bring it back. Like cool body facts? Hit like and follow for more.